Here we are at, well, on the way to Bear Lake Trailhead at 12:45 p.m. and it's a parking lot before the parking lot. Here on a sunny, cloudy winter day in Rocky Mountain National Park. But that is not going to stop me from going for my sunset. So see y'all in about 2 hours when we figure out where we're going to park. So they were turning people away at the Bear Lake parking lot, and we just happened to get lucky because 4 people were leaving and 4 spots are open. So we are now parked at 12:52 p.m. and we are about to go hiking. We're gonna go for Lake Haiyaha again. This will be our 3rd attempt in the winter, but we've always done it as a 2nd or 3rd lake on our hikes, but this time we're gonna go for it first, and then after that we're gonna go for maybe a nice sunset at Mills Lake or the Lock or whatever kind of time we're making. So see you then. It's a very packed trail today. On our way to Nymph Lake, then to Dream Lake, and then hopefully we can make it to Haiyaha Lake. But the trail is extremely packed down. Great conditions so far. How's it going?
So far, so good.
Good. So I believe we're on the right trail to Lake Haiyaha. There's tons of trails that people made, and the sign for the trail is buried. And I don't know, we may need to put the snowshoes on pretty soon, but we're making good time. Yep, I am calling for the snowshoes. We got snowshoed up, ready to head on up. I want to give a big shout out to all the skiers for packing down this trail on our way to Dream Lake right before we turned off. There's a bunch of stops, a bunch of traffic jams, a bunch of people out on the trails today. But I got a feeling there's not going to be too many people on this trail.
already.
Probably gonna go slow here, so just a heads up.
GoPro me.
It's getting a little windy. Have to put on the snow goggles. Oh yeah.
By the way, you're supposed to tell me branches.
Oh yeah. We are creeping up on Lake Haiyaha. We are off trail a little bit, but oh, that does not look safe. Let's do it anyway. Lake Haiyaha.
Third time's the charm, clearly. We have made it to Lake Haiyaha. And I could not pick a better way to celebrate a successful laser eye surgery. So seeing this lake in actual 2020 without corrective eyewear is pretty amazing. Happy we're here. Out here. So we've been messing around here at Lake Haiyaha for about 20 minutes. Very cool lake. These water formations that go upwards to the little hills against the rocks are just amazing. All right, GoPro battery died. back there right before we got off Lake Haiyaha. Had to go off trail a little bit, but we're gonna now head to Mills Lake. It's about, I don't know, 3 o'clock, 3:15, somewhere around there. We're gonna go for sunset on Mills Lake, but it's pretty foggy out today. But who knows? It may clear up, it may not, but at least we're out enjoying this beautiful winter weather. So here we are, a little over halfway through the trail that connects Lake Haiyaha and the Glacier Gorge Junction, which splits off into Mills Lake, the lock, and the fire trail, and the trail back to the trailhead. And it's we've needed the snowshoes the entire time. The trail's the trail's not packed that well right now, but it's pretty unscenic, so I would not recommend taking this way, but it's a new experience. I've never taken it before, and I'm just gonna make the most out of it. So here we are at the trail junction, and we just got done on the Lake Haiyaha Cut-off Trail, and that was 2 miles long in snowshoes, and the snow's about 2 to 4 foot deep, probably not very well packed. Felt like about 6-7 miles, but we're through the tough part, and now we're off to Mills Lake for sunset, and hopefully these clouds clear up and this fog clears up. The clouds can stay. I don't like the fog though. You see that? Those are the micro spikes. No more snowshoes. Onward to Mills Lake. Well, here we are at Mills Lake, and it's about 30 minutes before sunset, and I don't know if this fog's gonna lift. I can't see Chief's Head, I can't see the Spearhead. There's a little bit of hope that it might, but it's been hanging around all day. but who knows. We're gonna stick around for another 30 minutes and see if it clears up and see if we can get some good pictures. Definitely not going to clear up, but still walked the lake, had some fun on the ice, took some cool crack shots with the new really right stuff low ground level tripod, and I'm really liking how it's working so far. And I think I'm going to get a bunch of great shots in the future with it. Some great sunrises, sunsets on some frozen alpine lakes, and I'm going to get all up in them cracks. It's gonna be epic, but that's just one of the things that happens sometimes as a landscape photographer. The weather just won't cooperate, but still got some good crack shots, and try again next time.